Hi, this is MC. March workshop is around the corner. 4 days of hands-on workshop. March 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. On day 1, we'll be doing all day scissors. Day 2, all day razor. Day 3, all day clippers. Day 4, all day hairstyling. Basically, 32 hours of hands-on workshop. You will need to have your 2 mannequins, your tools, and a tripod, and register. Only 10 people in the class. As of right now, we have 7 spots open. Don't miss this class. Learn the fundamentals of scissors, the advanced techniques of scissors, the proper scissor for you, how to select scissors, and then proper razor, how to properly use the razor, and so on. The styling is very important. It's the most difficult part of this industry. So March 1st through 4th. Don't forget to sign up now.